I'm here to talk about credit quality trends we have seen in the first half of this fiscal and our outlook for the rest of the fiscal. CRISIL Ratings saw its credit ratio, that is the ratio of rating upgrades to downgrades, increase sharply to 2.96 times in the first half of this fiscal, up from 1.33 that we saw in the previous 6 months and from a decadal low of 0.54 that we witnessed in the first 6 months of last fiscal. So what are the reasons behind the buoyancy in credit quality? There are 4 clear factors. First, sustained domestic demand recovery. Second, continued push from the government on infrastructure spends, which benefited players in the roads, renewable energy, construction and engineering sectors, as well as infra-linked sector players such as steel. Third, export growth on the back of buoyant global economy, as well as the China Plus One strategy adopted by global players. Pharma and specialty chemical players benefited clearly on account of these factors. And the fourth is the deleveraging trend on a secular basis that we have seen over the last 5 to 6 years amongst the Indian corporates. On the other hand, players who are there in the travel and tourism, hospitality and education services sectors continue to see tepid recovery in demand and saw pressure on their credit profiles. Also, pressures continue to persist in the retail, especially unsecured retail and the MSME segments, as smaller borrowers have seen an outsized impact of the pandemic. In terms of our outlook for the rest of the fiscal, we have a positive outlook and expect rating upgrades to continue to outnumber rating downgrades. This is predicated on a GDP growth of 9.5% that we are baking in for this fiscal, and on the back of a low to minimal disruption on account of third wave, if any. Any sharp deceleration in the growth, both domestic and global, most likely due to withdrawal or sharp tapering of monetary and fiscal stimulus, could be a downside factor. On that note, I would like to thank you for your attention. Take care, stay safe, and goodbye.